Today we're going to do an unpacking and review of the Costway Ironmax Et1381Us Oscillating Multi-Tool. Inside the box you find this Ironmax multi-tool kit, which is a fabric bag that contains the tool and all the accessories. Opening up the toolkit, you'll find the multi-tool instruction book and the other accessories inside. This is what is contained inside the kit. You have the multi-tool, which comes with a vacuum tube mounted on the bottom of it so that you can attach a vacuum cleaner to it to collect the dust when you're cutting something. It has the instruction book. It has the mount for sandpaper. It has 6 sandpaper pieces. It has a tube to hook up the vacuum cleaner. It has a handle that you can attach to the side of the multi-tool. It has 2 standard blades, 1 semicircular standard blade, a scraper blade, and a carbide tipped semicircular blade, and this washer. The vacuum tube can be easily removed from the oscillating tool. It simply snaps on and off. The auxiliary handle screws on to the side of the tool. You can attach it to either the left or the right side of the tool by simply screwing it on. This tool has a somewhat unique method of attaching the cutting tools to it. There's a handle on the top that you flip open, and then the tool can be attached to the bottom of the oscillating tool. Here is the tool with the quick connect handle flipped all the way open. It is somewhat difficult and stiff to open this handle. When you open the quick release on the tool, a pin pops out at the bottom, which allows you to remove or install one of the cutting tools. To install the cutting tool onto the multi-tool, you simply slide the tool into position and align it up with the pins that are on the bottom of the tool. The next thing you would do is, holding it in position, you would close the quick release handle. You'll notice it doesn't close all the way. There's a little safety catch here to keep you from pinching your fingers. You just have to flip that safety catch in one direction there, and then you can close the quick release. Now you'll see that the tool is securely fastened to the bottom of the multi-tool, and there is very little play in this. It's securely attached. You can position the tool in a number of different positions, or directions I should say, depending on how you align it up with the pins on the bottom of the multi-tool. There are 6 pins on the bottom of the multi-tool that you align your cutting blade with. This allows you to install the cutting tool in different directions. The multi-tool has a slide on-off switch that turns it on and off, and there's a 6-speed selector switch at the back of the tool also. Okay, I'm going to turn the tool on and see what it does. This is in position 1, the slowest speed. And this is in position 6, the fastest speed. Okay, just for the heck of it, let's give it a shot and see how it cuts.